Alright, this is Tiger 280. I got me another 400. Went back to the old TRX. Had a 01, sold it, got a KFX, didn't like it, so went back to 400. She's got stage 1 hot cam in it. It's got FMF exhaust. Got my razr tires. Wingstar front bumper. It's got +2 Hauser steering stem. 450R front shocks and rear shocks. It's got the grouper seat on it. And then, all in all, she's a clean bike. I traded my Kawasaki for it. I think I did pretty good. I like the bike, so I don't give a shit. Well, I guess y'all, if you want to hear it running, yeah, we're gonna roll back. FMF sounds really good